Very warm morning on Thursday. This is a thought that was running in for many years, but then we have been at least discussing for the last couple of years and much more seriously over the last 7-8 months. That's how whatever you are going to see is the culmination of the last 1 years of effort and 6-7 months of intense work put in by the team and every one of us. So let me take you through. So when you look at the site is launched, thank you Sundar, and thank you for unveiling the logo, Sirin. And yes, this is what you saw when you open appbowl.com. So yeah, okay. I'm just going to show you the homepage, and then we will look at buying the product. So the homepage has the few of the products listed. Right now we have a limited set of products which are highlighted, more products inside. But yes, it gives you a feel of kind of a Microsoft website, but much more different. Any user can actually end up buying. So yes, scroll. Yes. Yeah, keep scrolling. All right. So you have blogs, then you have why Appball, then you also have some easy steps, 5 easy steps how somebody can actually end up buying a software online. And yeah, the contact and other details. Now, let's pick up any software. Which one do you want to go with? We actually want to buy. Are you going to buy one? Why don't we do that? Okay, we'll do one buy live while we are doing the demo. So basic, right? Yeah. Okay, we'll add to, so it's signed. We have created an account, because even if you are a new customer, you can create a new account tenant ID, but it takes some time to create tenant ID. So we are using through an existing account to show how the whole system works. Okay. Go to the card. Yeah. Please order. Yeah. Please the order. Yeah. Now it's ready. Go ahead. Yes. So now you're connected to the payment gateway. So any of the payment methodologies you will be able to connect with, as simple as that. So give the card details, and yeah, we have already fed the card information. So this is only for this purpose. So this card won't work when you're trying to do from your end. Okay. So payment is getting processed, and yes, payment is done. Processing, confirmation, payment successful, bang on. So it's bought. It's as simple as that. Have you ever seen anything happening ever in such speed and precision that somebody can buy Microsoft online, right? Yeah. So we have it. So it's getting processed at the back end, because it's going to. So just to give you a background, yes, it's the Tech Data's application platform, through which we have connected, and that's how the whole engine gets connected back to Microsoft, because there is an existing connectivity between the two for long, and we are leveraging the technology and trying to do this. Yeah. So it gives you a thank you message saying that yes, thank you for your purchase, and that's a note. So here, once you complete, you go to the dashboard, right? Yeah, click the dashboard. All right, and that's how you see your profile. You can fill up the details in terms of the name, everything else, organization, your company name, GST, everything else, right? And these are the products that we already bought, just to give you an idea in terms of what all products have been bought previously from this account and stuff like that. Yeah, go ahead. The other one. Yeah, subscriptions, yeah, product license. So, yeah. So there you have the product account information, the user ID and password, everything captured right here. So it's stored. You can keep it safe for your records, because you will need it tomorrow if you have to buy more Microsoft products, either from here or anywhere else. So you will need to have this user ID. It's stored in your dashboard directly, and then yes. Then if you click on the activate tick, that yes, you will be able to configure and use your solution directly. Yes, anything else? It's okay. Yeah, yeah. Because if you click on the link, do you want to try that? Just go to the Microsoft site. Yeah. We will not fully activate, because then we'll end up configuring. But I'm just going to show you how the backend connectivity is happening with the Microsoft from here. The entire process is so seamless. This you. So any software has to go to Microsoft portal where you will actually use it to configure and assign the license directly from the Microsoft site. So the first time you have to use the same password which is being offered, then you end up resetting it to your whatever you wish to. So that's what is currently happening. So for the first time login, you use the password that is given by Microsoft, then you end up creating your own. Yes. There you go. As we are inside the hotel, the network speed could be a little low, but otherwise these are all pretty fast flashes. Is it connecting to MS? Okay. Yeah. So even if you are a new customer today, creating a tenant ID and getting a license for the first time, we have counted 3 minutes, 4 minutes, max of 5 minutes we have seen. Okay, in less than 5 minutes you end up, any new customer can come in, create an account, create a tenant ID. Tenant ID is basically for the first customer to recognize, and then you get in. Yeah, there you go. You see Microsoft. It's loading a little slow because of the network inside, but otherwise you are able to see the Microsoft website directly. Yeah, billing. All right. So this is your login page inside Microsoft. So you are looking at your products that has been procured. Yeah. It's listing the products that we have procured. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, there you see the product, live and successful, live in front of you. We have got a product, and yes, that's it. It's as simple as that. One quick thing I just want to add up to what was mentioned. See, today enterprises are transforming digitally, right? Be it corporates or be it small and medium businesses. But it is very important to understand the trends, how it is moving forward, and why we are actually doing it, right? If you look at 10 years ago, yes, e-commerce was there. We were able to build it step by step. Now, when you look at today, especially over the last 2-3 years, Q-commerce is very, very active. If you look at the reason why, the quick commerce, people are wanting instant things. Okay, thanks to the instant 2-minute Maggie that happened long ago, it became instantly popular. So instant access to solutions are becoming a key. It is no longer a kind of given, but people expect it by default, right? The transformation software, it's a little slow, even though software is tech, but unfortunately softwares are getting delivered late. You can even get a grocery within 10 minutes, but it is hard to get a license from a traditional mode of fragmented channels. Today, companies are still procuring the same way. So it is still happening in that way. We want to transform the software industry technologically. Unfortunately, software enables other, but in this case, we would like to enable the software industry itself in a different way to ensure products procurement happen with ease. Today, customers are looking at speed. Customers are looking at trust, right? Customers are looking at good price. I think that is where we identified a kind of a simple model to bring AppBowl into the picture, to say that, yes, can we bring it at speed? Yes, you could see instantly we are able to get it. Can you do it with trust? Yes, fantastic, because we are aligned with the Microsoft's vision of commerce first initiative, right? And what better other than take data, TD Synnex, in terms of digitally connecting so well with seamless supply chains all over the world. So the platform really helps to build such collaboration. And obviously being a partner directly and doing it online, We are cutting down a lot of layers to enable the price advantage to the customer. So obviously it is cost effective and far more attractive than what you get in the marketplace. So if you have speed, if you have the trust of credible source that you are able to buy, and if you are able to have it at a much cost effective and you save a lot of money, and that's where we have come in. Again, to say, we are not selling just software, right? We are doing the cloud adoption to the markets that are beyond reach at some point in time, right? We are enabling not just the metros, but the tier 2 and tier 3 towns to digitally adopt much faster, getting into a transformation mode, getting into a broader reach, and enabling them to get into the software platform sooner. And that's the transformation that we are looking to have. And this is just a very small start. It's a very soft launch, and we would want to make sure over the next 3, 6 months and 1 year, we have plans for the phase 2 and phase 3 that is already planned out. And special mention for the technical team who have done fantastic work, because I've been working closely. I think we have worked through many weekends to ensure that this goes live and everything is fine. It looks very simple when you look at it, but it is a fairly complex architecture when you are dependent on so many factors to build this out. So once again, good job, you guys. And thanks for the dignitaries from Microsoft and TD Synnex. Again, once again, welcome you all, and welcome to AppWorld's new era. Thank you all so much.